How you doing, guys? Here is a big coronavirus stay home order. It's not biggie here, as you see this way, and the other way the shops is not open. So actually I didn't make a danger anybody. Let me just show you how is the Mercedes project to stay. There she is. So I just show you guys how we're staying right now. There we go. So put it on a battery cable over here. Awesome. And I show you what's going on. So right now this one didn't finish because we have a couple of things we need to run. Here is a electrical system. I just do the figuration, so and still under process to make the shifter, but in a clutch it's ready in. This one's working, but I just need the shifter. So let's go see the start. Here is a button. Just oops. Oh, the battery is dying. Fuck. Oh shit. Okay, wherever. So the car is start. Bueno, right now. Let me grab the jumper. So here, as a positive. Oh, fucking key. Let's put it here. So positive, let's put in here. So negative, let's put in here. Here we go. Okay, let's go and show you guys. Just a second. Start again. There you go. Push button. There you go. Yes. Cold start. Oh, there you go. They have a straight pipe. It's awesome. Amazing. Be quiet. I just want to make the shifter. I don't know when because it's a lot of project here. But it's good, super good. Okay. So the push start is working. Cool. Let's just finish. There we go. Shut down. Close. Let's go take it out this. Put it here. Put it here. This one's here. See? It's amazing. I love this car. So, hook it here back. There you go. Mercedes. Okay. So, there you go. They have a AJR. Have a Saturn. AJR actually is no problem at all. Nothing. This one we have problem. The ProMaster and the Saturn. Let's forget about it. This no key. The ProMaster have ECU problem. This is give us a headache. And otherwise we have here Mazda 6. I need to change the engine. There it is. It's under the process. So whatever. We have a bunch of cars right now. Need to fix. And also we have a rather mess here again because we just shut it down the other lot, but the office looking nice. So coronavirus, it's didn't stop us, okay? But we are safe. The car business right now is stopped. It's not moving at all. It's nobody buy nothing. Nobody buy cars. Nobody buy anything. Just a toilet paper. Guys, okay. Where we got buy the cars, the auction is don't have an auction for the next 2 weeks. So we not even can buy the cars. Only on Craigslist or a private party. But actually we have right now the bunch of cars. So that's it. I was very productive today. I just hook it here to the Mazda, to the other engine. I just hook it up here and there just mounts, and right now just draining the oil for just the rest of them, and tomorrow I start connecting to the wires and everything. So it's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's see this one. We started. This one have a ECU problem. The total body and other it say the key is not good. So let's see. It's hard to move this car, and sometimes it didn't want to start. I'm gonna check. In it. Trips is die too. I'm just turning the key. See? This is a serious problem with this car. So that's it today, guys. This is a special edition from the coronavirus. Oh, just one more thing. I was in some grocery store shopping some basic stuff, some coffee and some other food and something, and everybody waiting for the toilet paper. So I know this is not that channel, but listen, I understand you need the toilet paper a lot, but on a grocery store, the fresh vegetables places it wasn't full, and nobody wants any lime, any juice, any apple. Nobody wants to buy any sour cabbage, garlic. Actually, you know, I'm not sure it's help you, but I eat a lot of garlic, onions, with a little bit of bread, you know, and of course eat a lot of vegetables. You know, it's full of vitamins, so it's probably help you. I'm not even sick, so let's go, guys. The sour cabbage is help you a lot. Trust me, that's very good. Okay, see you guys. You see, I'm working, but there's nobody here. I didn't contact anybody, so I just jump in a car on that one and I just go home. Please hit the like button, subscribe on my channel, and when this crazy things is over, I hope everything came back. But right now the car business is die, so we slow down a little bit. Okay, peace.